Lesson 3, Task 1. You don't need any practice files to complete this exercise. Just follow the steps. In this practice, you will enter and edit text, undo and redo editing actions, and check the spelling in a worksheet. Step 1. Start Excel if necessary. Step 2. Click Blank Workbook to open a new file. Step 3. Save the file as schedule _ with your initials in the location where your teacher instructs you to store the files for this lesson. Step 4. Insert a header that has your name in the left, the date code in the center, and the page number code at the right. Change back to the normal view. Step 5. Type whole grain breads with a parenthesis R parenthesis in cell A1. Press space. Notice that the autocorrect feature changes the parenthesis R parenthesis entry to a register mark. Step 6. Press enter 3 times. Step 7. Type bakery schedule and press enter. Step 8. Type 10/10/17. Press enter twice. Step 9. Type the following cell entries, pressing tab after each. Customer, item, QTY needed, QTY shipped, and QTY to bake. Step 10. Click cell A8 and type the following cell entries exactly as shown, pressing enter after each. Note autocorrect in action again. Type cafe latte, Java cafe, village green, Step 11. Click cell B8 and type the following cell entries exactly as shown, pressing enter after each. Bagels, croissants, wheat bread. Step 12. Click cell C8. Type the following cell entries exactly as shown, pressing enter after each. 325 10025. Step 13. Click cell D8. Type the following cell entries exactly as shown, pressing enter after each. 300 100 25. Step 14. Click cell A11. Type uppercase J and press Tab to complete the cell entry using autocomplete. Step 15. Type the following cell entries, pressing Tab after each. Pastries 150 125. Step 16. Click cell A1. Step 17. Click the Review tab and then click Spelling. Step 18. At the first misspelling, make sure that grains is selected in the suggestion list, and then click the Change button. Step 19. At the next misspelling, QTY, click the Ignore All button. Step 20. At the next misspelling, make sure that Village is selected in the suggestion list, and then click the Change button. Step 21. In the message box that informs you that the spelling check is complete, click the OK button. The finished spreadsheet appears as shown in Figure 3-1. The columns have been widened in Figure 3-1 to show all the data. Lesson 5 covers how to change column widths. Step 23. Save and close the file. And exit Excel.